So okay children, go to second problem in exercise 1.1. That means we have to write numbers for the given number names. So how to convert the given number names into figures, that means into numbers. So let us see the first problem in the second section. So the first problem is 75 lakh 75 lakh 6,000 75 lakh 76,783 783. So we have to write the figures for the given number name. That means we have to convert this number name into number. So first of all, we have to identify whether the given number name is in Indian place value chart or international place value chart. So if you observe carefully the given number name is in Indian place value chart, that is Indian system of numeration. Why? Because in this number name we will observe that lakhs. So the lakhs is present in Indian system of numeration and lakhs is not present in international system of numeration. So the given number name is in Indian system of numeration. Next, divide the given number name into periods. So periods means Indian system of numeration contains ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. So in the same way, we have to divide the given number name into periods, that is lakhs period, thousands period and ones period. So see 75 lakh, so up to this lakhs period. 76,000 up to this is thousands period. 783 this is ones period. So 75 lakh, so this is lakhs period. Next 76,000 this is thousands period and 783 this is ones period. So now draw the place value chart according to Indian system of numeration. So in Indian system of numeration, the place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So now insert the given periods into this place value chart. So convert the 75, convert into number 75 and the thousands period contains 76 and ones period contains 783. So insert these figures into this place value chart. Then we will get the number. So 75 lakhs, so this is lakhs period, 75 lakhs, this is lakhs period and 10,000 and 1,000, these two places are called thousands period and hundreds, tens and ones, these three places are called ones period. So now insert these period values into this place value chart. So 75 lakhs, this is lakhs period. So insert the 75 into lakhs. So 75. Next 76,000, this is thousands period. So insert 76 into thousands period, that is 76. Next 783, this is ones period. Insert the 783 in the ones period, 783. So this is the number we should require for the given number name. So the answer for the given number name is 75 lakhs 76,783. So In this way, we have to write the number for the given number name. So first we have to divide into periods and insert those periods in the place value chart. Then we will get the number name for the given number name. So let us see next model problem, that is international system of numeration. Okay children, let us see another problem in international system of numeration. So the another problem in international system of numeration is 47 million 53,000 909. So this is the number name present in international system of numeration. So we have to convert this number name into figures. That is, we have to convert this number name into number. So the given number name is in international system of numeration. So we have to divide the given number name into periods, just like in Indian system of numeration. In this also we have to divide the given number name into periods, that is millions period, thousands period, ones period. So 47 million, so this is millions period. 53,000, so this is thousands period. 909, so this is ones period. So 47, this is millions period. 53, this is thousands period. 909, this is ones period. Now draw the place value chart for international system of numeration. So the place value chart for international system of numeration is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. So these are the places in international system of numeration. So now mark the periods in this international system of numeration. So now mark the periods. So in this, the first three places, ones place, tens place and hundreds place, these three places together called ones period. Next, the next three places, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, these three places are called thousands period. And the next place is millions period. So now insert these figures into this place value chart. So 47, that is 47, convert into figures and insert this 47 into millions chart. So millions and add another place, that is 10 millions. So insert the figure 47 in millions chart. That means millions period. So 47. Next 53. So this is thousands period. Insert the 53 in thousands period. So 53,000. So 53,000. So there are three places, but there are only two digits. That's why we have to add 0. We have to put 0 and again add 53. So 53,909. This is ones period. So insert this 909 in ones period. 909. So this is the way of writing number for the given number name in international system of numeration. So here we carefully observe that in thousands period there are only two places, but here in thousands period there should be three places. So for one place we have to add 0. So thus becomes the number is 47,53,909. So this is the number for the given number name.